to turn your iPhone screen into any color. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how can you revert your iPhone screen to its normal color. Here's what you could do it. So first of all, open the settings app on your iPhone, then navigate or scroll down to the general section. After which, what you have to do is from the general, you want to go to accessibility. As you click on the accessibility section, then what next you want to do is simply go to this section, that is display augmentation. Make sure to tap on it, and moving on, you'll be able to find this invert color options. Simply click that out and you have this Smart Invert. You could either toggle the button, so this settings invert color on the screen, but not in the image itself. It enables toggle, if enabled, toggle it off itself. And if you want to go with a classic invert, this settings invert all color including images on the screen. If enabled, toggle the button off. And you could have successfully disabled color filter, and this is how you could do it. So this is the way you could turn your iPhone screen into any color back to normal. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.